How's it, gang? I'm Ray and you're watching the best energy tips for Hawaii, and today I'm going to show you how to cut costs with humidifiers and dehumidifiers. What is that, dehumidifier? Not dehumidifier, dehumidifier. Dehumidifier, take out moisture. Humidifier, add moisture. I knew that. Here's a free and easy tip. Do your best to seal off the room that you're dehumidifying. Make sure to close off doors and windows to the space being dehumidified. And if you don't have those fancy things under the door, just pull a towel underneath. The thing works. Here's a free and easy tip to try. Instead of dehumidifying your entire closet, just point one fan into the area overnight. Here's another free tip. After you pause shower, keep the door closed for another 15 minutes with the vent on to stop the moisture from spreading. Here's another cheap and reasonable tip that will keep your humidifier and dehumidifier working efficiently. Clean dust and grime from the filters at least 4 times a year. Here's a reasonable tip. Install low-flow laminar shower heads. What is that, low-flow laminar shower heads? No, not what? Stuck on shower head, no make as much steam and moisture. And I think make your water heating costs go down. Ah, I knew that. Alright guys, mahalo plenty for watching. That's all I have for you today, but stick around. Will the Cat has more energy saving tips for you. And then don't forget, download the PDF, take the quiz. It's super easy, and then I'll see you guys next time. Aloha!